door. I was forgetting what my melatonin's for. Resolved to sleeping on the floor, hard to ignore. I needed rest, I needed more. Give me some more. Now I just wanna dream. Dream. Dream now. I just wanna dream. Is it curtains or is it blinds? I've been awake for a while. I was in need of a guide or a sign from